Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a AFK channel on Discord. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Discord, and first of all, I'm going to go to one of my server on Discord. I'm just going to select this server and I'm going to create a AFK channel in this server. I'm going to create voice channels guys, so I'm going to click on this plus icon on the voice channel, and then I'm going to name it AFK. I'm going to select voice and click on create channel. Okay, and now the channel has been created, and I'm going to set the duration for the AFK. I'm going to go to the server setting. We can click on the server and then go to the server setting. Okay, then select the inactive channel and select the AFK channel, and here you can set the duration for the AFK or for the member to be AFK. And then for example, I'm going to select 15 minutes, and after that we just need to click on save changes and click on close icon. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a AFK channel on Discord. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.